Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on really quick and get you all's opinion about something. I have been tussling with what to call you all, my subscribers. I was pretty sure for the longest that you all were going to be the Do Crew, because it was a play on NeesieDoesIT, because I'm like, you know what, I do it, y'all do it, we make stuff, we build stuff, we make things beautiful, but something about it just was not clicking with me. Actually, if y'all watched my other video when I did the face mask review, I told y'all, and it is so true, like I kept saying it over and over again, trying to see if I would like it or if I could get it to kind of catch on. But the more and more I kept saying like Do Crew, Do Crew, Do Crew, y'all, it sounded like doo-doo. And I was like, okay, no, we gotta find something else. So everything that I do and everything that my channel is about, from the DIYs to makeup to hair, is pretty much about taking something that is basic and making it beautiful. And to me, I feel like it's magic. Like it is magic what we do, because I know that you guys out there probably do the same thing, because you wouldn't be interested in my channel unless we kind of were into the same thing, right? Right. So from that, you guys, I have decided, and I hope y'all like it. I really hope y'all like it, because I like it. So I have decided that you all will be the magic mob. Y'all like it. I know y'all like it. So y'all are my magic mob, because you do the same thing. We take something basic, we make it beautiful. That's just what we do. Black girl magic, white girl magic, Hispanic girl magic, Indian girl magic, all girl magic all over the place. Like that's just what we do. Women, we take things, we make them beautiful. We are magic. So you all are my magic mob. I really hope y'all like the name, because I love it. That's what I'll be calling y'all. So leave a comment down below if you like it. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, because I love it, and that's just what it's gonna be. So I'm excited. So welcome all of you, my magic mob. Welcome to NeesieDoesIT. If this is your first video, then go back and look at some of the other ones and see what we do here. DIYs, hair tutorials, makeup, home interior, all kind of stuff. And if you like it, then become a part of the magic mob and subscribe. So thank y'all so much for watching this quick video. I am excited. We have